You wanna become a successful person? Then you need to change something, like your daily activities. You need an extra activity which will lead you to your great future. Always talk about ideas. Always think to do something new. Life is about exploring. The more you will think, the more you will get. Opportunities are everywhere. You can find them and create them. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Take a one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscle, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other thing. This is the way to success. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. We become what we think about most of the time. So think positive. Design your life plan. Stop saying I wish. Start saying I will. You are stronger than you think. So keep going.